Evening friends, study with the Pala Engineering and Journal Geology Parvin Singh book। तो हम चैप्टर 16 स्ट्रेटिग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया पे हैं, जिसके तहत हम लोग ने विंध्यन सिस्टम कर लिया है। अब पेलियोजोइक ग्रुप्स और कैम्ब्रियंस टू पर्मियन पे हैं। तो इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाए तो द Paleozoic group is the first post-Archean group of rocks that has been studied in many parts of the world, and its correlations established with a good degree of certainty. And this has been possible due to abundant fossil evidence yielded by rocks of this group. In Indian subcontinent, the Paleozoic rock of marine origins are generally absent from peninsular India. Their development is most extensive and relatively perfect in many extra peninsular regions, especially in Spiti, Kashmir and Salt Range in Pakistan. The group comprises 6 systems, namely the Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous and Permian. In that order, refer to standard stratigraphic scales. Following is only a brief account of main feature of these 6 systems. For their detailed studies, the reader must refer to standards books on Indian stratigraphy. Cambrian systems definition and distribution. The name of the system is derived from the Cambrians. The other names of Wales in the British is Isles and Isolocas, and has been applied to also the rock of post-Archean age occurring at the base of Paleozoic group and correlated on the fossils evidence. These rock have been recorded in North Europe, North Americas and China, India and Pakistan, and in many other parts of the world. In all regions of their development, they are richly fossiliferous and fossils representing mostly trilobites and brachiopods. In Indian stratigraphy, also the names Cambrians has been used for the formations resting unconformably over pre-Cambrian rocks, and these have been studied exhaustively in the 3 regions in the subcontinent and Spiti in Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir and Salt. Cambrian of Spiti Hemanta systems. In Spiti, the Cambrian rocks forms the basal beds of a nearly complete sequence of fossiliferous Paleozoic or Mesozoic rocks. This system is also known by the names of Hemanta system of Spiti. The Cambrian rocks rest over the Vekrata series of Dharwar age of highly metamorphosed schist and have been developed on the slopes of central Himalayas, starting from Spiti and continue to Lahore in the northwest and Garhwal and Kumayu in northeast. Lithology. Cells, slates and quartzite are the chief types of Cambrian rocks in Spiti. The strata are clearly of sedimentary origin and highly fossiliferous in some sections. Classifications. The Himalayan system of Spiti has been studied and classified by hidden into 3 divisions as follows. Tables. Cambrians, Hemantas of Spiti. तो सब डिवीजन थिकनेस लिथोलॉजी, तो लोअर हेमंता बिंडल एंड अपर, तो लोअर में 600 to 900 मीटर थिकनेस एंड ग्रीनिश फाइलाइट सेल्स एंड क्वार्टजाइट. मिडिल हेमंता 300 मीटर्स एंड रेड एंड पिंक क्वार्टजाइट एंड सेल्स ब्लैक कार्बोनिफरस सेलेट. Upper Hemantas 400 meters and consist of mainly grey and green quartzite slates and fossiliferous cells. Life. In Spiti, the Cambrian rocks have yielded and fossils mostly from the upper Hemanta series, on the basis of which a middle to upper Cambrian age has been assigned to these rocks. Amongst the fossils remains belong to trilobites, brachiopods and echinoderms, and some species reported from upper Himalayas are trilobites. Augustus Spittinensis, Anomocare conjunctiva, Concyphilatis mer, and Microdiscus Greshbecki and Tycho Poria spinacis. The brachiopods are Acrothela, Prestatus, Linguleca, Hemanthanesis, Nishu, Ossia, Spacenesis, and Echinodermas, and the Eocystis sept. EP का मतलब यहाँ स्पीसीज से है. The Cambrians of Kashmir, the Paleozoic sequence often including the Cambrians are developed at a number of places in the Valley of Kashmir. Major exposure being in Hundwara, in the Brahmola district, in the Basmais anticlines and Sindh Valley and Lidar valleys in Anantnag district. The section of Cambrian age is best seen in Hundwara, and so where the sequence rests upon the slaty rock of Purana is named as Dogra slates and lithological. The Cambrian rocks in this sections consist mostly of clay slates and grave and quartzite in the lower regions, thick bedded clays and thin bedded limestone in the upper region. Both the zones have yielded fossils belonging chiefly to trilobites and brachiopods. Some prominent species are trilobites, Augustus species, Micro discus species, Anomocaires, Handvernesis, brachiopods, and Acrothel and Bostofordia, Coleta, and Obolos, Kashmiricus, and Petropod, Hyoliths species. From these fossils, a lower Cambrian age has been suggested for this sequence. Cambrians of Salt Range. The Salt Range Cambrian rocks are developed in the forms of a thick, conformable and stratified sequence, which has been divided into the following series on the basis of order of superposition. Cambrians of Salt Range. Series approximate thickness and means rock types. Salt pseudomorph cell 50 meter and variegated cells of red colors, and the magnesian sandstone 100 meter. Creams colored dolomitic sandstone cells in the thin layer. Nobulous cells and 33 meters, and dark greenish and purple cells fossiliferous, and purple sandstone 150 meters. Sandstone of buff red and maroon colors and often flaggy, and salines series 500 meters. Rock salt and gypsums, marl, red stone, sand, and dolomites. The saline series is the thickest amongst the Cambrian sequence of a salt range and is best developed in Khyber, Pakistan. It is well known for its rock salt deposits that occur in thick layer interbedded with red marls and gypsum and dolomites, and there is a considerable differences of opinion about the age of saline series. The series lies at most places below the purple sandstones of Cambrian age, but in some cases evident suggesting an Eocene age for saline series is also very strong, so the problem is yet unresolved. The purple sandstone is a sequence of sandstone of mainly purple color, and hence the name. That shows ripple mark and current beddings at many places. In lower regions, they are of flaggy types. The series is totally unfossiliferous. The neobolus bells are so named because they have yielded fossils of Nobulus, a primitive brachiopods. The series is made up of cells and dolomitic limestone, amongst others. Fossils found from these rocks, trilobites like Tychopteria and Richiteria and Concephalus, worthies and brachiopods like Linguala and worthies and member granulates and Tenopods like hyoliths and the Venice are worth unmentioned, which includes a Middle Cambrian age for the series. So the magnesian sandstones, the series is made of principally of creams colored sandstones that are massive and dolomitics. At places they are also contain bands of different colors. Salt pseudomorphs series, the series is so named because it contains a cubic replacement type crystals pseudomorphs of salt in clay. The principal rocks type is cells, and whereas laminated sandstone are also of common occurrence. Thank you. Please support it.